ang debut game ni Juan Gomez de Leaño, and he did not disappoint. Sa first touch niya pa lang, makikita natin yung gravity niya na dala. May nag-show sa kanya sa PNR and then nag-go over pa yung initial defender niya. Kaya balaki yung space ng Converge para malibre si Rakal sa 3-point distance. Again, Juan is so good playing the PNR action. Hindi na nag-show yung defender ng screener, pero because yung gravity niya na he can drive and finish, nag-help yung defender na nasa corner, tapos libre na naman si Rakal and another assist for Juan. And then dahil puro drive si Juan ng sunod-sunod na possession, this time magiging maluwag sa kanya yung pull-up and it paid off sa 3-point distance. We also need to talk about Justin Arana on how he improved a lot for the season 50. He is just backing down 2 defenders in the post like it was nothing. Tapos hindi sila nauubusan ng option because they have Alex Stockton, Justin Baltasar, and Shawnee Winston. Tapos dito makikita natin si Juan sa open court nung na-recognize na walang help defense, tapos nasa elbow pa yung naka-face up sa kanya. So good read from Juan na pumunta sa strong side niya kasi wala namang help, tapos kaya niya naman i-blow by yung nasa harap niya. 2 points for him. Sadly, para sa Titan Ultra, 4 minutes lang nakapaglaro si Calvin Abueva dahil sa injury. Sayang lang kasi galing sa 41-point game. That could be more exciting kung nasa loob si The Beast. Pero nag-capitalize naman yung Converge and they look ready talaga this season. Tsaka pa-follow up naman sana nung rights kay Dave Ildefonso. Sana i-review ulit or mag-submit ulit yung Converge kasi alam nyo naman, ba't ba ayaw yung lumakas yung Converge no? Alam nating maraming ball dominant sa Converge, pero the good thing is balance naman yung distribution ng touches nila eh. Sa second quarter, they let Shawnee Winston play his game kasi kung magmintes, meron naman silang Twin Towers, and kaya nga kasama yung mga offensive rebounds daw ni Justin Arana sa kanyang 22. Grabe. Yung addition ni Juan sa Converge, si Justin talaga yung big time beneficiary. Like simple PNR action, simple basketball, kung tawagin nga natin yan, classic play. Lalo kung walang nangyayari sa offense, 10 seconds on the clock, ayan lang, tapos bahala na yung dalawa, tapos mga ready players sa kick out. You have to love Juan kasi he's not forcing everything eh. Kahit dito sa play na to, pwede niyang i-attack. Though, not sure kung maka-convert. Kasi, nakasunod si Munzon and good defender si Joshua. Kaya, nung may opportunity kay Kevin, binigay niya na lang. Another assist for him. Here, grabe yung basa ni Arana. 3 defenders yung nakaabang sa kanya. Pero, kalmado lang. Then, nung napansin niya na may nakaharap, pag nag-spin move siya, he goes all the way. Kasi meron namang kick-out opportunity kay Rakal if may nag-help. Pero open lane eh. 2 points for Justin Arana. Tsaka ito yung pinagkaiba ni Justin from other centers. Meron siyang face-up game and confident siya na siya mismo yung magdadribble from the outside, minsan from the elbow. Tapos meron din siyang mid-range jumper kapag hindi niya mapwersa yung sarili niya to go in the paint. So, grabe no? What if 7-footer si Arana tapos ganito pa rin yung galaw no? Sarap! First half pa lang, we know na it's over for Titan Ultra. Juan Gomez de Leaño with 15 points, 10 rebounds, and 11 assists. Justin Arana with 28 points and 22 rebounds. 6 players ng Converge, all double digits. Final score 129-92.